All right if you're typing everything manually in spreadsheets. Yeah, formulas can save you a ton of time. In this full guide, I'll show you how to use formulas in Google Sheets, step by step. First, open Google Sheets and create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one. Every formula in Google Sheets starts with an equal sign. That tells Sheets you're entering a formula. You can do basic math like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division directly in cells. One of the most common formulas is sum. It adds numbers automatically. You can also calculate averages or count entries using built-in formulas. Drag the small square at the corner of a cell to copy formulas automatically across rows or columns. Formulas use cell references like A1 or B2, which update automatically when copied. If you see errors, double-check your formula spelling, brackets, and cell references. Google Sheets includes hundreds of formulas for finance, statistics, text, dates, and more. And yeah, that's how you use Google Sheets formulas. Once you learn the basics, spreadsheets become way more powerful and efficient.